next.
Welcome to this tutorial on
And
setting up
here
your
you're gonna
online
see,
payment options.
A
So
screen,
in Appointment
and it
Hero,
says
you
your
have
contact
several options
information, and you're
for
gonna see
accepting
first name,
payment
last name,
online
street
or
address,
not.
and so on.
So to do that,
And so
scroll
the cool
down
thing about
to
this
Company,
is
and you're going to see
the
4
ones that are
tabs here.
locked,
Go ahead
these
and
are the
hit Payment
questions
Settings.
that
And
you
right
don't
now
have to
we connect to
answer.
Square.
You don't have to input
So click the
over
blue
and
Connect
over
Square
again,
account button.
right? Because we're gonna ask these
You're going to
for
be
you
taken to
automatically,
Square.
so you can't change that.
And it's going to
But
make
if
you
you want
log
to add a
in.
question
And I had already logged in, so this is why I
section,
did this for me.
just hit add a
So
question.
after you've done
Let's say
that,
you
you'll be
wanted the
taken to
mobile
Square,
phone,
and you will see a
and we're gonna make that a long
success
answer. You have
message,
three
and it'll tell you
choices,
it's
right?
connected to Square, just like
choice.
this.
Choose one. Short answer or long
Next,
answer. I'm gonna do long answer.
You see there are
You can
4
make the
options here.
response
Payment is
required or not.
mandatory, optional, do not allow.
And you can do this under each section.
Whole card on file.
You can also show and hide
so,
things. So as an example,
what you're going to first do
status,
is go into your
show,
booking
or
rules,
if you didn't,
and determine if you want to automatically accept payments,
you can do that.
automatically accept appointments, or review. If you hit review, none of those payment options will be shown.
And
they'll
now
actually have to request
info.
an appointment. So here we're going to select automatically accept appointments.
Reason for visit, same.
And now when we go to payment settings, the first one we're going to look at is payment is mandatory.
And once you're done,
so if we go to your site, just like
we're
we're applying, we're going to book an appointment.
You could go ahead and preview this.
We're going to take that one.
As you can see, it did.
And you can see here it says make secure payments.
Contact information. And you can just look at what the form would look like, because this is what your customers will fill out, or your clients.
And we're going to hit make secure payments.
Conditions.
And here is where I have to enter in my credit card information, and it does automatically compute the tip for me.
Agree to
for them, that is, or they can leave a custom tip.
And when they press submit, this becomes
so that's
part of
with
their
making
profile.
a secure payment.
So
if
everything
we go
is
back
all in one place,
and we say payment is optional, and we hit save.
In this video, we're going to talk about where it means you're closed.
Here you see that they can make a secure payment,
and how to brand
internet information, or they can just schedule the appointment.
So now I'm open on Sunday also. So to do that,
if you say do not allow online payments,
business hours. So now I'm open
and the
day.
first thing you're gonna do, you'll see that they only have the schedule appointment button here.
I don't want to choose Monday, but I do work Tuesday. So this is
uploading your logo. If you do no payment but whole card on file,
this is 11 to 7. So let's say on Thursday I also work 11 to 7.
You'll see the internet information, and they have to enter a card on file before they can accept an appointment.
Press save regular business hours. And this,
so these are the 4 different options you have. Payment is mandatory, payment is optional,
you can go to schedule
do not allow online payment, or payment but hold card on file. Once you choose your selection and hit save, that is what they'll do on that online schedule.
And on Wednesday, I'm closed.